anaphase 2 of meiosis. During anaphase 2, centromere where the two sister chromatids they were attached, that centromere split into two parts. As a result, the sister chromatids they separate from each other. Now the chromatids they behave like the individual chromosome. These sister chromatids they start to move towards the opposite direction. This is the diagram of the anaphase 2 where we can see that the chromosomes that have been split from the centromere, initially these chromosomes they were like this. This was the structure, but as a result of split of chromosomes from the centromere, they are converted into this structure. In the middle there is a centromere and there is a single chromatid. Initially both chromatids they were attached, but during anaphase as the centromere splits, because the anaphase 2 that works like the anaphase of the mitosis. In case of mitosis we have seen that the centromere split and the sister chromatids they separate from each other. Same is here where the centromere split and the sister chromatids they separate from each other. Now each of the sister chromatid behaves like the individual chromosome and start to move towards the poles. One of the centromere along with chromatids will arrive on one of the pole, while the second centromere along with chromatids will arrive on the second pole of the cell. In this diagram we can see that initially the chromosome was like this, where the sister chromatids, this is chromatid 1, this is chromatid 2, they were attached with each other at the centromere points. But during the process of anaphase 2, because in anaphase the centromere splits into two parts, both the chromatids they separate from each other and now they will behave like the individual chromosome. One of the chromatid or one of the chromosome will arrive on one pole, while the second chromatid will arrive on the other pole of the cell. If we summarize the anaphase 2 works exactly like the mitosis. In case of mitosis, centromere split and the sister chromatid they separate from each other. Anaphase 2 of meiosis 2 is exactly like the mitosis, where again the centromere split and both the chromatids they separate from each other. But the difference between the chromatids of the mitosis and meiosis is that in case of mitosis, sister chromatids they were similar, but here because there is a chiasmata formation, the sister chromatids they are not identical to each other.